Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the effective workaround strategies to overcome the problematic purchase verification failure when acquiring content. This technical hiccup typically happens when your regional storefront settings mismatch your active network connection, or your web browser data gets heavily corrupted during checkout. To fix, your very first step should be opening your browser options, heading straight into the privacy section, and completely wiping out your cookies and temporary internet cache files. Next, check the upper corner of your shopping screen to ensure your account wallet region matches your physical billing address precisely to prevent automated security flags. If the transaction still fails to complete, toggle off any active background proxy or virtual private network software, as these tools frequently interfere with the strict banking encryption protocols. Finally, swap over to an entirely different payment method or attempt the transaction through an updated mobile application storefront to successfully bypass the digital block. Subscribe the channel for more videos.